Hi everyone, it's Holly from the Early On Child and Family Center in Cochrane, and it's time for another imagination collaboration with the Cochrane Public Library. The story today is Goodnight Bubbala, a joyful parody by Cheryl Haft and illustrated by Jill Weber. So the story is all about saying goodnight, and so we've made a kit with all the materials you'll need to make your own little plaster tooth that you can brush with a brand new toothbrush that we're going to include in the kit. Actually, if I were you, I would use the brand new toothbrush for your teeth and take your old toothbrush to use on the pretend tooth. So, how we do it is you take your little bag of plaster of Paris powder, and you want to be extra careful when you're using it because it's such a fine powder that it can spread particles in the air. So make sure that an adult is helping you measure and stir the powder. So you're going to need 4 tablespoons of the powder. So here's 1. Actually, wearing a mask is probably a good idea. 2. 3. 4. Now, it takes 2 tablespoons of water to add to the powder. 1, 2. So in your kit, you'll have a popsicle stick for stirring. You'll have a little bag of plaster of Paris powder, and you'll have this strange looking item, which is going to be your mold for your plaster. So see, I've stirred this around and it's smooth and sort of thick. So the next thing to do, if you have Vaseline at your house, you could put Vaseline in here. I'm going to try it with cooking spray. I'm going to spray inside the mold, spread it around. Because there's all sorts of little bumps in this mold. So we want to make sure this cooking spray gets everywhere. That hopefully makes it easier to get your finished tooth out of the mold when you're done. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into the mold. You're going to want to use your popsicle stick again to make sure you scrape all the bits out. And let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it gets hard. And the way you'll know, you'll be able to tell that it's ready. It'll feel hard, but while it's getting hard, it's going to be warm. So when you touch the outside and it feels cool, then you know that it's done hardening. So then when it's all hard, you can cut this plastic away, take out your tooth, and brush it with your old toothbrush. Have fun with that, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.